Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best baby pools is probably one of the most exciting purchases you can make for your little one during the warmer months, offering a fantastic way to keep them cool, entertained, and engaged right in your own backyard. Imagine the sheer delight on your 2-year-old's face as they splash and play in their very own aquatic paradise, creating precious memories that will last a lifetime. This isn't just about a simple pool, it's about fostering a love for water play, encouraging physical activity, and providing a safe, controlled environment for exploration and fun, making it an essential addition to your summer essentials list. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad, Sprinkler and Baby Pool. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with our unique splash pad. It's designed by parents to make learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun under the cool water sprinklers. Keep your children cool and safe with our parent-approved outdoor water toys. This shallow wading pool is BPA and phthalate-free for worry-free play. We believe in the power of play for healthy development. Our splash pad offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing pool. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help. What we like? This splash pad is designed for learning through play. If you are looking for a way to keep your little one cool while also engaging their mind, this is a great choice. Its focus on educational elements makes it ideal for parents who want their toddlers to learn ABCs and numbers while having fun in the water. What people say. My child enjoyed this splash pad very much. Nice thick material, I would say dog resistant but not dog proof. My kid and dog love it. Super easy to use and great value for what it costs. You can adjust the water height with the hose and the shallow mat stays cool when in use. Number 4. Intex Jungle Adventure Play Center Kiddie Pool. This inflatable play center is the ideal backyard oasis for young children aged 2 and up who are just learning to swim. It's designed to make their first water experiences fun and safe. With generous dimensions of 96 inches long, 78 inches wide, and 28 inches high, there's plenty of room for your little ones to splash and play. It offers a comfortable and expansive area for summer fun. This unique design features 2 pools offering different water depths. The larger pool holds 130 gallons with 8-inch walls, while the smaller one holds 15 gallons, providing versatile play options. Get ready for non-stop entertainment. It comes complete with a fun water slide, an inflatable arch, a playful flamingo and monkey, a ring toss game, and 5 balls to enhance the play experience. The smaller pool is designed with safety in mind, featuring a drain hole that prevents it from filling over 4.5 inches. This makes it perfectly suited for even the youngest children to enjoy safely. What we like? This play center offers a dual pool system with a variety of activities. If you have multiple children or want to provide a range of entertainment, this is the perfect option. It's designed for active toddlers who love to slide, toss rings, and explore, making it a backyard oasis for summer fun. What people say. This inflatable pool with a slide and sprinkler is such a hit with my kids. It's like a mini water park, easy to set up, super cute, and the perfect size for toddlers. The sprinkler keeps the slide slick, and the small pool area is just right for safe play. Great quality and hours of summer fun. Inflatable pool ideal for children, easy to assemble, resistant and perfect for cooling off in the garden. Guaranteed fun. The design is beautiful and in person it's actually bigger than I thought, in a good way. My toddler is 18 months and had so much fun. He had a blast filling up the pool with the hose, playing in the water, etc. He is still little, and still is getting used to the splashy water from the crocodile, but it is a great feature for super hot days, so the slide doesn't get too hot and probably makes it more slippery. Number 3. Intex Kiddie Pool, Summer Sunset Glow. Get ready for summer fun with this inflatable pool. It's the perfect way for kids to cool down and splash around. Featuring a fun and colorful sunset glow design, this pool adds a vibrant touch to your backyard. The 3 colorful rings create an eye-catching look. Constructed from durable vinyl, this pool is built to last all summer long. It provides a safe and enjoyable space for children to play. With dimensions of 58 by 13 inches, there's plenty of room for multiple kids to enjoy. The 13-inch walls offer a comfortable depth for splashing. Setting up is a breeze, allowing for instant fun. Let your kids create lasting summer memories with this delightful kiddie pool. What we like. This inflatable pool features a classic, colorful design with 3 sturdy rings. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable way for your toddler to cool off, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for families who want a no-fuss pool that's easy to set up and enjoy on hot summer days. What people say. It has an unusual puffy bottom which cushions young feet from the surface underneath. The pool has 3 separate side chambers. If one chamber pops, there are 2 others to compensate. The bottom is soft and great for little one's feet. Number 2. Intex 4-foot x 12 kiddie swimming and teaching pool. Introducing a compact and fun-filled miniature pool perfect for your children. It's ideal for practicing swimming or simply enjoying a splash, recommended for ages 3 and up. Made with strong and durable vinyl materials, this pool is built to resist rips and tears. It's designed to last season after season, offering the benefit of safety for your peace of mind. It includes foam-padded horizontal beams that provide comfort for your children. This ensures an enjoyable and pleasant experience as they splash and play. Features an easy-to-use drain plug that allows for quick draining and takedown after use. This simplifies the process of daily maintenance. Measuring 48 inches long, 48 inches wide, and 12 inches tall, it's ideally sized to fit in your backyard. It provides just the right space for your little ones to cool off. What we like. This frame pool is built for durability and provides a safe space for learning to swim or just splashing. If you have a slightly older child, ages 3+, and want a more robust pool that can withstand active play, this is an excellent option. Its sturdy construction and comfortable features ensure a great experience season after season. What people say. Quality is amazing, it will never puncture. Super Toller Kinderpool, nicht zu groß und nicht zu klein. Passt trotzdem ein groß Mensch Wasser rein, was perfekt zu Planschen ist. It was easy and quick to assemble and is durable, very sturdy, and true to size. Number 1. Inflatable baby pool for toddlers 1 to 3. Designed with built-in grip handles, it gives your little one something secure to hold on to. This helps them practice balance and sit up comfortably while they play. Enjoy a soft, padded floor that makes playtime or bath time extra comfortable. Plus, a convenient drain makes emptying the water a breeze. Crafted from thick, durable, and baby-safe materials, this pool is built to last. It's designed for everyday fun, whether used indoors or outdoors. Its thoughtful size makes it an ideal indoor bathing solution. It fits perfectly into standard shower stalls, making it great for apartments or homes without a bathtub. The clever square design maximizes play area, giving your child more room to sit and play comfortably. It also fits neatly into corners and smaller bathrooms. Beyond bath time, this versatile pool can be transformed into an exciting ball pit. Simply bring it inside and fill it with balls for a contained play zone. Setting it up takes just minutes, and it folds down flat for simple storage. This makes it incredibly convenient for travel or small living spaces. What we like. This versatile pool is designed with safety and comfort in mind, featuring grip handles and a soft floor. If you need a compact and multifunctional water toy that can also be used as a ball pit, this is ideal. It's perfect for apartments, small spaces, or as a travel-friendly option for babies and toddlers. What people say. Easy to blow up in seconds using the hose blower feature on my shop vac. The square shape fits nicely in the bottom of my shower. It's the perfect size for my 2-year-old grandson to splash around safely, and it doesn't take up too much space. Setup was super easy, took just a few minutes to inflate with a pump, and the material feels sturdy enough to handle enthusiastic kicking and toy throwing. It's ideal for me to have on the deck or patio, and I can sit by him without having to be eyeing the pool all the time. It holds air really well, was easy to blow up with our air pump, and we had this outside with the dogs and on top of brick sticks and haven't had any issues with holes or popping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.